Hello, hello, hello everybody. It's Jamie with Jamie's Realistic Life, and today we are going to be doing the roll and save for the car, and I have got $29 here, and I'm going to try to finish this one out because I want to get a car payment ahead. That way I don't have to struggle and stress out. Today has been a very wild day. We have had snow, we've had freezing rain, we have had some thunder snow, so it's just been a crazy day here in Virginia. So we are going to get started. I'm going to pull this over here to the side. Let's see, what color do I want to do? Let's do orange. We'll do with the orange highlighter. And we're going to roll a 3. So, I hope everybody, if you're in the impacted part of the United States that has been getting bombarded with all this heavy snow and winter weather, I hope you're doing good. You're staying warm and safe, and you're not traveling. And there's a 6. So 5 and 6, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 3. It has been cold today. I just do not like cold weather. I'm not built for it. Oh, there's a 6. We may not be able to finish this one today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I got enough for maybe one more. A 2. 1, 2. And we've got 5 left. So let's chance it. Ha, we got a 1. We have a 1. Are we going to chance it again to finish this one out? I just got one more row left. Let's see. A 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. I owe it $2, so let me see what I got over here. These are the ones that I had been putting back that were the D-Buck, E-Buck, E-Buck. So I'm going to take the emergency. I was using this one for the emergency fund for the 2025 challenge, but I will put it for this one. We'll put it there, and we finished it out. So let's see how much let's see how much we saved in this challenge. So let me put all this over here. This is so great. The finish one out to put back for the car payment. Okay, there's the 5. And I believe my money is crazy. I've got to have it all facing the same way. I'm sorry, guys, but I have to. It drives me nuts. And I guess working, in the restaurant business and counting down the doors at night made me that way because I've got to have my bills all the same way. Okay, let's see what we got. So, there, and here. Okay, let's see how much we got with this one. 50, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 101. $101 saved in this one. And we will right here, finished on 1/5/25. Oh, y'all heard my change. I'm still doing my change challenge, you guys. 1/5/25. I'm going to wait a little bit longer and then do my challenge there. We will take this one out. And I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to bring this up here. Put it right there. And I cleaned my desk, you all, and I put stuff up, and I don't know what I've done with it now. So I'm going to have to rearrange where I put everything. I'm going to take this one. And I figured what I would do was that I would put the finished challenges in here. In this one. And we saved $101. 101. And I'm going to put this over here. And this one right here is like I don't want to call it a sinking fund, but I guess it is a sinking fund. This one is for the car, and it is 1/5/101. We have 111 going towards the car. So I will, and I am still doing the C-Bucks, guys, for the car. Uh-oh. Then I turned the wrong way. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, how have I got this? Okay, now, let me see if I got it all turned the right way. I'm sorry. Okay, now it is all turned the same way. So I will put that in here. And once I get enough for my car payment, I will put it in the bank and pay it. So I hope everybody is having a great Sunday. It's a Sunday evening. This one is also going to go for the car. This one's going to go for the 2025 challenge. And this one's medical. And I'm really not for sure if I want to start. I think I'll start the spring probably in March. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for hanging around with me. And I hope everybody has a wonderful 2025. Bye, guys.